months ago, I tested this Hally Color Cloud Hair Dye Foam that took my blonde hair to brunette without any damage. The same brand recently released this product called Fluffy G, which is a part toning glaze and part hydrating gloss. It's an in-shower hair treatment that's meant to leave all hair types shiny and soft, restore texture and dull hair, and remove frizz. Today I'll be testing how well the product tones my hair without altering the color, how well it hydrates hair, adds shine, removes frizz, and if the benefits last 3 washes or about 1 week. Fluffy G is not a hair dye and isn't meant to alter your hair color like the product before, but it does come in 3 shades. So there's Premier Clear, which is for all hair types, there's Brass Off Blonde, which is a cool neutralizer for blonde hair, and Bouncy Brown, which is meant to add dimension and revive flat hair for brunettes, and that's the one I'm using today. Basically, to apply, you wet your hair, add the foam in the shower, wait 10 minutes, and then you shampoo and condition like normal. Wait, it's orange! That I didn't know! I don't even need this much foam because this is already half my head and it's nicely coated. Just have to do a few more up top. So this is my hair washed and styled after using 1 application of Fluffy G and Bouncy Brown. My biggest fear going into this while using the orange foam was that it was going to completely change my hair color, but I don't think it did. I think it did tone the hair. It got rid of a little bit of the brassy yellow, and I think it pushed it more towards like the coppery reddish brown tones. It's been a week since I've tested Fluffy G and Bouncy Brown, and this is how my hair looks after about 3 washes. I think the product did tone my hair without altering the color. It definitely removed a lot of the brass, a lot of the yellow, and took it more towards the warmer side. At first, it was a little reddish, a little auburn, and now it's kind of returning back to its original shade, but still brunette. In terms of hydrating, shine, and frizz, I did notice that my hair was a lot softer and easier to style this week. I noticed there was a lot less frizz and more shine. In terms of hydration, the ends kind of feel the same, but I think that has more to do with like my split ends and previous hair damage. And lastly, I do think all the benefits lasted about 1 week, or for me 3 washes, and so did the toning color. So I definitely think this is a good treatment to use in between the salon visits to kind of upkeep the color and do a little hair treatment.